Intro? Say something.
Oh, I thought we were just doing the, what do you call it?
Ah, that could be it. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a Chevy Tahoe, heavily oxidized, almost to the point of no return. We're gonna try to bring it back. Hood is really damaged, roof is really damaged. We got Omar from Premium Mobile Detailing coming out to help out. We're also gonna give him a master class on how to polish down black paint. We're on site with the GMC Yukon. Heavy oxidation. We did our first test panel. I have a signed task for all of us. I'm gonna be working the rotary. Sal's gonna be working the force rotation Millet with the fine DA polish and the yellow pad. And Omar's gonna be following up with the refinement stage with the Duetto white pad and the Rupes Uno. After that is done, we're gonna hit the entire vehicle with the paint prep, and then we're gonna go into the ceramic coating stage. So I have a lot of work I gotta catch up on. While I'm doing the hood and the roof, which are the most affected areas, they're gonna be working on the side panels, doing the two-step. The top and the whole top of the vehicle is gonna need a 3-stage. So I'm gonna take care of the first stage while they're wrapping up the sides, so we're not running into each other, so everything's in an orderly manner. So that's gonna be our order of operations for today. So stick around, you guys are gonna learn a lot. You're gonna see the products we're using. We're gonna link everything in the description below. Again, it's me, Sal, and we got Omar from Premium Mobile Detailing helping us out today. We're excited about the results that we got on the test panel. Ready, Omar?
Yeah, let's get to work.
Today is going to be a crash course for Omar. He has a little bit of experience polishing, but we're going to give him the tools and the techniques that we use and that we've learned over time. He's going to get a lot of good on-site training today, so we're excited for him and his development and his growth. So this is going to be key not only for us working with the 3-man crew, but for Omar in his future endeavors with paint corrections and ceramic coatings.
Finish up the first panel. The results are looking, man, I'm very happy about these results. I got the Millet with the yellow pad, and I'm using our new one that we got to the arsenal. This right here, you'll find in the description below.
Finishing up the refining process with the lightest pad and Uno Protect. Check out the results.
All right, so within this process, we have found the combination that's working best for us. But now we're trying to find that fine line of where we're not having to leave anything left over for the next step. So I'm trying to get as much oxidation off as possible. Sal's trying to get as much clarity. And then Omar's going in to really enhance that gloss and to refine. So we're trying to find that fine line where we're not, where I'm not leaving any oxidation behind, so Sal has to pick up on it. Otherwise, it's gonna slow down the entire process. So making sure that you're doing your part to its fullest is super important. So right now I'm having a little bit, I'm running into some issues on the hood that are causing me problems. I looked at Sal's end and I tried to leave it on him to do, but after looking at time management, that's not going to be the best way to finish this in an effective manner. We're trying to finish up this job within 4 to 5 hours. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that I go and push it to its limit to make sure when Sal goes in during his part, he just goes in and gets the refining down and gets all the holograms out and all of the trails that I'm leaving, so he doesn't have to worry about taking any oxidation off. Then after that, Omar goes in, knocks out his part, and that's where we're at right now. I'll give you some more shots of the process and what we're doing and where we're at. So now you need to be, there you go.
Why'd you switch out?
Get into more tighter spaces. Yeah, I feel like this one has a little more control over the other one. Yeah, I was able to get in here. Like all these little edges.
Yeah.
All right, we're about 2 hours into the polishing process. We are about 45% done.
Yeah.
45% done. Had some issues with the hood. Didn't know if I should go to the extreme of wet sanding. I didn't have to go to that extreme. Actually, what I had to do was switch out my tool. I am far more familiar and far more technically advanced with the forced rotation. Even though it doesn't give me as much power and generate as much heat to the surface to give it a faster cutting action, with this vehicle having so many ridges and the switching out pads over time, because they're getting so piled up with the oxidation, was a little bit difficult with the rotary. So I switched out to forced rotation. I'm getting much faster, cleaner results, and it'll be easier for Sal to come through and do his polishing stage, as well as Omar doing the refining stage. So 2.5 hours in, we're
gonna speed up. We're gonna speed up now.
Yeah, this is now is the area where we're all kind of hitting on all cylinders. We're all a little bit more familiar. Omar's a little bit more familiar with what he's doing as well. So I think now that we're just getting a little bit more comfortable.
So we're gonna start moving. So Omar switched to the 3-inch. I took a Duetto, and I gave the Malay to Joel. So I'm a lot more familiar with this one as well. So it's all gonna come together like butter now.
Yeah, so we have our system. Everything's getting done. The roof is, I've been on the bonnet the entire time, the hood. So after this, I'm just jumping to the roof. These guys are gonna finish refining out the hood and the rest of the areas. Now that Omar's on the 3-inch, he's gonna be familiarized by the time he's able to hit all the bumpers, get all the trim, all the pillars, and the mirrors. I'll be up top, knocking that out, and Sal will be right behind me, refining out. And then at that point, we're probably gonna give the car a wash, because these polishes are dusting quite a bit. We'll give it a quick rinse down, a quick dry, and then we're gonna hit it with the ceramic, and then that'll be a wrap. Then the final touches after that.
finally got it done. Let us know what you guys think. The outcome of the hood and the roof, I think came out pretty good, but you guys tell us.
And that's that. One detailing job down. You guys, catch you guys on the next one. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share.
Before we go, what's up with them gloves?
Look at toe up, man.